Okay, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be picking my bike lock again. Same one I used in my video when I was raking, but like I said in my other videos I'm practicing single pin picking now, so I'm going to be using this lock pick and just normal tension wrench. So get started. I'm also trying to sort out the best place to put my camera. So tell me if you think the setup's a bit better now. And there we go. Quite an easy lock to pick. Just find it hard sometimes to tell when the pins are set. So yeah, that's that one done again. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe and all that stuff.